Hi everyone, welcome to my video presentation on ENT practical. Since it's a very warm afternoon, I will greet you good afternoon all. Topic of my practical is the difference between other coleoptera and lepidoptera. Before going on to my heart of my presentation, let's check out the outline for this video presentation. First, I'm going to introduce the topic. Second, I'm going to explain what is coleoptera is. Otherwise, some of you out there might don't know what coleoptera. Third, I'm going to explain the lepidoptera order, and then I will going to differentiate two orders in the class Insecta, and that is the coleoptera and the lepidoptera, and then I'm going to do a brief conclusion and then reference. Coleoptera. Now, coleoptera is the largest group of the superfamily Hydrophobiidae, comprising of about 350,000 described species. Now, this is one of the largest order in the class Insecta. Now, this family is, for the entomologists, they have especially due to its aquatic representative or the habitats. Now, some of the examples of the order coleoptera are the beetles. As you can see, there are weevils or fireflies or insects that have the hard cover on their backs at the forewings. In the order coleoptera, they have 19 genera and 53 species that was recorded in the Arabian Peninsula. That was for the order coleoptera. Now let's move on to the order lepidoptera. Well, the lepidoptera is one of the two or the third largest orders of insects in the class Insecta. It was estimated that it has the 160,000 named species. Now, the common examples or the main examples for the order Lepidoptera are moths and butterflies. Those that have leathery or scales at their wings. Now, the growth of the Lepidoptera insects are ranged from small to largest, with wings always covered in scales. That's what I mentioned in the previous slide. They have scales or leathery on their wings. Like as I said, they have complete life cycle here, as you can see here. The egg, from egg to larva, pupa into adult shape. So its growth is like from small to the largest stage of the life. Like in the order coleoptera, other mouth parts are present, but here in the lepidoptera, some mouth parts are absent except for the mandibles are present in the mouth parts. Lepidopteras have a multi-segmented antenna, unlike the coleoptera. Here you can see that lifestyle like living, visiting flowers, and have deep harmonious relationships with plants. Now we are finished with the discussion of the coleoptera and the lepidoptera. Now let's move on to the differentiation between the order coleoptera and the lepidoptera. First, let's check with the coleoptera. Coleoptera is the largest order in the class Insecta, as I've mentioned earlier on, compared to Lepidoptera. Lepidoptera is the most studied order in the class Insecta, while it becomes the second largest order in the class Insecta. The second difference here is that Coleoptera, they have a mouthpart of biting and chewing type, whereas in the Lepidoptera they have siphoning type mouthparts, as you can see in this slide. Here there are mouthparts for the Coleoptera that use for biting. You can see there are huge mandibles here, whereas in the Coleoptera, the siphoning type mouthparts, you can see there's the tube that used to suck nectar from flowers. This third one is the wings. Like the Coleoptera, they have the wings. Four wings are elytra, means a thick or hard cells, while the hindwings are membranous. Whereas Lepidoptera, they have about powdery, scaled, and membranous wings. As you can see here on the diagrams, that's the hard or the thick that I'm talking about, and the membranous hindwing is this one, and the Lepidoptera is this, the powdery scaled wing here. And the fourth one is the antenna, the different antennas. Coleoptera, they have the filiform type antenna, whereas the Lepidoptera, they have a serrated type antenna. While in moths and butterflies, they have cup-shaped antenna. Here I can see the filiform antenna. It's like rugby ball blocks, whereas here in the Lepidoptera, have a serrated antenna. Have things like a thorn, sharp substances like this. And another example here is that Coleopteras, they live as aquatic insects, while some are found on land, whereas Lepidoptera, they only found on land. And here to do my conclusion here, there are 2 points I want to conclude it here. That it is must be able to know the Coleoptera and Lepidoptera, their characteristics, and when you know all of them, it helps you to differentiating them from one or the another. While knowing this, that the two types of orders are important in the class Insecta, and they are the first and the second largest in the class Insecta. And here, and this is my reference which I've used to make up this video presentation. Thank you. Well, that's the end of my video. Hope you learned something from what I've explained around the difference between the order Coleoptera and the Lepidoptera. While studying them, you can easily differentiate the features that makes them different from each other. Hope you learn something from the video presentation, and see you in my next videos.